The man who invented the sweeping robot vacuum cleaner is a genius. From now on, you won't need to sweep the floor. It uses a vacuum pump to suck up debris, operating on a principle similar to that of a vacuum cleaner. The wheels are responsible for the robot's movement. Additionally, there is a set of side brushes and roller brushes around the wheels, which can sweep all the debris inside. However, the random movement path of the sweeping robot is too inefficient. It must select the optimal path. Therefore, engineers installed a gyroscope and wheel encoder in it. When it is about to hit a wall, the gyroscope and wheel encoder will assist the robot in turning at the right angle. However, the robot will also mistake a chair for a wall, thus missing this area. Now, a laser radar has been installed, which can sense the surrounding environment, allowing it to discern which areas can be swept and which cannot. But there is still a problem. Although the sweeping robot can navigate this small step, what should it do when facing the stairs behind? Wouldn't it fall to pieces? First of all, don't panic. The robot vacuum cleaner is equipped with an anti-fall sensor. It continuously emits infrared beams. If it detects a sudden change in height, the robot vacuum cleaner will immediately stop or change direction to avoid damage. But I'm still curious, will it accidentally sweep up the pet as well? Like and follow for more informative 3D videos.